Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Google Play Store on your iPhone. Now, just a quick heads up, this won't turn your iPhone into an Android, but it will allow you to download and run certain Android apps. Started. First, we need to adjust a couple of settings on your device. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Battery. Click on it and make sure to disable low power mode. This is important because low power mode can interfere with app downloads and installations. Once that's done, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to Safari. Tap on it, then scroll down to Advanced, and in Advanced, make sure to disable Block All Cookies. This allows your iPhone to properly communicate with the web service we'll use to get Google Play. Now, head back to your home screen and open Safari. In the search bar, type in apps.club and go to the site. Here, you'll see an option for Google Play Plus. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to download the app. Make sure you read each prompt carefully so the installation completes correctly. Keep in mind that some Android apps may not run perfectly on iOS, so it's always good to check compatibility before downloading. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the installation process. Once the download is finished, check your home screen. You should see the Google Play Plus icon. Open it and you're ready to start downloading Android applications on your iPhone. And now browse the available apps and install them just like you would on an Android device. If you run into any issues, restarting your iPhone often helps fix small glitches and ensures the app runs smoothly. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can get access to Google Play apps right on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy iPhone using!